What a gorgeous spot. Can you dig this, my friends? It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is day 15. Is this the halfway mark of our 30 days of morning yoga program? Today we're going to do a short, about 10-minute, deep stretch among this most perfect of spots. Very Harry Potterish, if you ask me. Today's random question: which song makes you dance like an absolute lunatic? What song? Comment below. I can't even think of one right now. Probably Depeche Mode. All right. Thanks for starting your day with me and the FedEx guy. And let's get going. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. You can always be warmed up when you do this, or just join in whenever. Let's come to downward facing dog. We're gonna stack the feet. So take your left foot, bring it in front of the right. In this 30-day program, we keep building, we keep adding on to what we're doing. So stack the feet and then sway back and forth. Let's focus on the breath, in the nose and out the nose. Get some blood into the brain. Should I try not to talk? All right, I'm not talking. I'm breathing. I'm like Kramer on Seinfeld. Starting now. Two more times each side. Stretch it out. Press the heels down the best you can. Good. Press back, stretch. What do you think of this one? I love this. Okay. Knees down, sitting on the heels. Take the arms back. Classic mudra stretch. Drop the shoulders. Head can come up if you wish. Take some deep breaths in the nose, out the nose. Oh, so much shade here. It wouldn't matter anyway because it's overcast today, but a blessed shade-filled spot. Good. Sink the shoulders down. We're not just holding this in some tight position. Boom, down, down. Open the chest. Palms can come together if you wish. And opening the breath. Some say opening the heart. Preparing for a most extraordinary day. Did my shirt just rip? Like the Hulk here. All right, down dog again. Let's stack the feet. Right foot in front this time. Adjust the angle. A little tighter on this side. Relax, breathe. Press it back, working the heels down. Bend the knees to modify, of course. Side to side, if applicable. Three more breaths. I'm going to work my back later at the gym, so this is fantastic. It's a nice movement in the back, some blood flow. All right, oh man. Bring those knees down. Let's go to a lunge. A low lunge, bring the right foot forward. Doing a lot of lunge in this program. Always with some fun variations on top. Sorry, it's the first time I've really been speaking today. How about that? So we have low lunge. Gonna do a cow face. Can you believe that? We're actually doing a cow face. Take the right hand, switch the cap here. Right hand, top of the back, left arm comes underneath. You could hold it here or grab the hands or grab your shirt or a towel. It's up to you, but you're gonna hinge forward, sink the shoulders down, let your body naturally move into the stretch. 5 breaths. does wonders for your back and shoulder flexibility. Back bend, open up. Whew, unravel. Whew, shake it out, a few shoulder rolls before we switch that lunge to the other side. Okay. Whew, left foot forward, right knee down. Stretch it back, walk that knee back. Get maximum length here in the hip flexor. And then when you're ready, it's the left hand, right arm. Find it, find your position. I say it all the time, practice and consistency. You gotta keep doing it for your body to really respond. Your body has to know you care, and that's where the consistency comes in. I've been training for many, many years across a lot of different disciplines. So usually when I introduce something new, my body is very respectful of it. It likes it, as long as I do it with good control, good breath. My body grabs onto it, it adapts. There we are, 3 more breaths. Oh, that does wonders for your cow facing. Anyone going out to cow face today, shoulder rolls. This is a great way to start. All right, wide-legged down dog. Stepping back, take the feet wide. Real treat for me to actually not be on grass. Press it back. Move how you wish, but keep rocking the weight back, taking any tension out of your upper body. Shoulders are loose. FedEx guy is loose. 5 more breaths. Good. How's your back feeling? Spine feeling looser, more decompressed? Muscles in the low back feeling more pliable. Okay. Oh man. Knees down. Let's do one more stretch. 10 minutes goes by like that, so we have to be very aware of the time. A pigeon with side flop. Right knee forward, left leg back. So many pigeons in 30 days of morning yoga. Always challenging different variations. So let's flop it down. Walk the hands over to the right. Moving side to side, rocking. You can extend all the way out if you like. I'm probably off camera right now. All right, other side. 5 breaths. Oh, I hope they clean this sidewalk. Okay, walk to the center, bringing some of the debris with you. Proud pigeon, back bend. Shoulders back. Should be feeling pretty good in this pose by now. We do it quite a bit. And let's switch sides. Left knee forward. Okay. Side flop. Pick a side. Go with it. Definitely working balance. I feel a little tighter on this side, and that's why we're here. And up to the other side. Lengthen into that bend. Stretch it out. You keep walking your left foot further forward. Extend the right leg back. Lots of breath. 2 more breaths. Oh, then center for a beautiful proud pigeon. Lift up. Drop the shoulders, neck is loose. All right, my friends, swing the legs around, shake it out. That is day 15 of your 30 days of morning yoga program. Link to all 30 is below. You can start anytime, anytime. And today's random question, which song makes you dance like an absolute lunatic? Absolute lunatic. Comment below. We need to know these things. This video will help. Hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell up there. Like, comment, share it on. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 16, which involves some warriors and yoga. I'll see you there. But until then... Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.